In this video, we're still looking at multiplying polynomials together, but this problem has a little bit of a different flavor to it than the ones that we looked at in the first video. For this problem, we have 4x squared minus 1, and then that entire polynomial, or binomial in this case, is squared. And so the first thing you want to do if you're ever trying to multiply and simplify a problem like this is rewrite 4x squared minus 1 all squared as 4x squared minus 1 multiplied by 4x squared minus 1. So again, we're just going to rewrite that. 4x squared minus 1 multiplied by 4x squared minus 1. And the reason we can do this is because anytime you have something squared, it just means you're multiplying it by itself. And so in this case, being a polynomial, we're just multiplying the polynomial by itself. Now we have two binomials being multiplied together, so we can use the FOIL method. So remember, for the FOIL method, we're going to multiply the first, and then the outer, then the inner, and then the last terms. And so our first terms multiplied together are going to be 4x squared times 4x squared. And so when you're multiplying this together, first of all, think of multiplying the 4's. 4 times 4 is going to give us 16, and then x squared times x squared is going to give us x to the 4th. Then our outer terms are going to be 4x squared and a negative 1. So 4x squared times a negative 1 is just going to be minus 4x squared. Our inner terms are going to be a negative 1 and a 4x squared again. So again, we're going to have a negative 4x squared when we multiply that out. And then the last terms, we're going to have a negative 1 multiplied by a negative 1. And negative 1 times negative 1 is just going to give us positive 1. So now again, after we've used the FOIL method, we want to go back and we want to see if we have any like terms that we can combine. In this case, we have a negative 4x squared and another negative 4x squared. So those are like terms. And so we can combine those terms. Let's bring down our 16x to the 4. And so if we have negative 4x squared minus another 4x squared, that's going to be negative 8x squared. And then we can bring down our plus 1. And that's our final answer, 16x to the 4th minus 8x squared plus 1.